What up, you guys? Well, today is gonna be a short video. Just wanted to show you guys. I went to buy some yellow tint for my fog lights from Premium Auto Styling, because they do like really good wraps. And yeah, so I'm gonna put them on the car, and then we'll go from there. What up, YouTube? Well, today I got some fog tint lenses that I'm gonna put on the car. I got them from Premium Auto Styling, you know, cause gotta support all the YouTubers and stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna put them on the we're gonna put them on the fog housings. What I'm gonna do is just take off the fog housings and put them on, just to make my life easier. It takes a little longer, but oh well. Okay, so probably maybe what, 10 minutes in, I took off the fog housing. I was just gonna tint right over it, but it's extremely hot in Texas. That's why I have my shirt off. Literally after 10 minutes of just unbolting 3 screws, I was just drenched in sweat, like I played a whole soccer team, or like I played a whole soccer match. It's crazy. So pretty much took the housings off on both. It was pretty easy. Just take off the 3 clips, and then back here unplug the bulb, and then just take off the wire, like the wiring clips to the fog lights right here. There's gonna be 2 on one and just 1 on one. So now I'm just gonna clean these off, and then put the tint on, and then put them back on and see how they look. I don't know if I'm doing too much work, but I'm just cleaning these off until you see no more dirt on the towel. So I got them pretty good, and like the towel, it's not that dirty anymore. So now I'm gonna spray it on like with some Windex, do it once more, and then I'll start putting the tint on.
No, I didn't do it.
Just got the tint on them, and now we're gonna put them back on the car and see how they look. That's how they look without them on. Okay, so I just installed it. I'm getting really sweaty. I'm gonna have to leave in a little bit, but here you guys go. I'm gonna take more pictures at night so you guys can really see it. There it is. Now they're yellow. Yellow fog lights. Gonna be looking good at night. So with them fog lights, they're gonna be looking good with my color changing bulbs. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, they're gonna look good with those. Those are gonna be looking cool. So I'll show you guys tonight. Okay, so now it's nighttime, and I'm gonna show you the lights. Dude, they look really good.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like.